Now let's dive into our featured story of the day. Analysts predict Bitcoin hitting 200,000 next year and $1 million by the year 2033. And this is their base case. This is Bernstein. They say, we believe Bitcoin is in a new bull cycle. Amen to that. And shout out to Pam Powers. She just sent a super. It says, love your show and music is amazing. Greatly respect you, Pam Powers. And I got to give a lot of credit to Chandy, because all the original music we play on the stream comes from her production. So respect and thank you. We're glad you're enjoying it. So yeah, let's break down this bullishness right here. Bernstein analysts share their Bitcoin price prediction for Friday just recently, while initiating coverage of the Bitcoin-focused software intelligence firm MicroStrategy. They believe Bitcoin can reach $1 million per coin by 2033, and they forecast a cycle high of 200,000 by 2025, up from their previous estimate of 150,000. So they just upped their base case, ultimately 50 G's, baby. Quoting them here, we revised up our Bitcoin price expectation to 200,000 cycle high by 2025 versus 150,000, which was previous. Our base case estimates Bitcoin at 250,000 by 2025 next year and 500,000 by 2029 and a whopping 1 million by 2033. Let me know your thoughts on that prediction. The analysts largely attribute their bullish price forecast to the strong demand from the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Quoting them again, we believe that the U.S. regulated ETFs were a watershed moment for crypto, bringing in structural demand from traditional pools of capital. They opine. They estimate that by 2025, Bitcoin ETFs will hold roughly 7% of the Bitcoin in the circulation, increasing to 15% by 2033. And as I already mentioned, just the ETFs in the United States already have roughly 5% of the Bitcoin supply. So why wouldn't they have another, 2% by next year? No brainer, easy peasy, conservative, if you're to ask me. So let me know your thoughts. And moreover, Bernstein analysts explained that the Bitcoin halving creates a unique scenario where the natural sell pressure from the Bitcoin miners is reduced by half or even more as they hold on to more Bitcoin in anticipation. Simultaneously, new catalysts for Bitcoin demand emerge, leading to exponential price increases. And they also shared, we believe Bitcoin is in a new bull cycle. Well, it's 100% in a new bull cycle. We've had 3 halvings previous to this 4th halving, which just occurred on April 19th. And history has shown us it's the year preceding the halving. We typically break out parabolic to a new all-time high, and we typically add a zero at the end of the price action every 4 years. Hypothetically, if we were to add a zero from today's price, that would take us to 660,000 as a cycle peak. And if we did that from the recent all-time high of 2021, from the previous cycle peak, which I believe we hit on November 10th, 2021. We hit 69,000, add a zero to that. We're talking 690,000 per Bitcoin. So let me know your thoughts on that. Now, Bernstein is a traditional, company. So typically they have very conservative estimates, but it's still bullish considering they just raised their base case. 200,000 next year, send it. My personal prediction, that's a bottom. A bull scenario I can easily see being 750,000 for the cycle peak, but my bear scenario is in alignment with their base case because my bear scenario is 222,000. So I am a firm believer Bitcoin can be anywhere from 222,000 next year to 750. Not investment advice. Everything I share personally coming out of my mouth is for entertainment purposes only. I don't know anything. I'm not a financial strategist. I have no background with finance or anything like that. But just my guess, just my speculation for entertainment purposes. Let me know your thoughts, where you feel the Bitcoin price will likely take us. And regarding their $1 million prediction, what are your thoughts on that? Personally, I think that is also kind of bearish because I can see 1 million occurring by 2029. Their prediction is 4 years later by 2033. So I believe that's conservative, but I want to know your thoughts, family. I'm going to read as many of your comments out loud as we can. Welcome to the Q&A live segment of the show. You can ask me anything you like. I'm going to read as many of these comments out loud as I possibly can. Jay Ford says 525 G's next year. Send it. Send it, please. Adding a zero to the all-time high is 730 since the all-time high was technically in the last epoch. You're right. That was before the halving. Appreciate that. 730 sounds even better to me. Let's go. I am entertained. Good. Watch out for the bear trap. You'll get snapped. 300,000 this cycle. We all go to be ready for the next one. 1 milli for sure. Send it. That's what's up, Russell. Base camp at 200 G's. I agree. There you go. Double 6 figures. Why not? double lit. You already know when we hit 6 figures, 100K fiesta here in Puerto Rico, you're invited. Join the Discord. It's discord.cryptonewsalerts.net, so you can be in the inside whenever we release the location, the dates, and all the event details, family. Be prepared. I only charge Bitcoin for buys, charge alts for the pumping and dumping to make more of the biddies. Amen.